The rise of AI in military applications is revolutionizing warfare, with potential implications for global security and the future role of human soldiers. This transformation is driven by advancements in artificial intelligence and robotics, leading to the development of autonomous weapons systems capable of independently conducting military missions. AI is currently being used in various military domains, including intelligence and data analysis. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data from multiple sources like sensors, satellites, and open-source intelligence to identify patterns, evaluate threats, and create predictive models for long-range attacks. Autonomous systems. AI empowers unmanned vehicles like drones, ground robots, and naval vessels to perform tasks such as surveillance, reconnaissance, and targeted strikes with minimal human input. These systems can navigate terrains, handle explosives, and react to real-time threats. Cybersecurity and network defense. AI algorithms can detect and respond to cyber attacks, protect sensitive data, and maintain secure communications networks. Logistics and supply chain optimization. AI can optimize resource allocation, predict equipment failures, and manage supply chains to ensure efficient military operations. Training and simulations. AI-powered simulations provide realistic training environments for soldiers, allowing them to gain experience in combat scenarios without physical risk. AI can also personalize training programs based on individual skill levels. Decision support. AI systems can process real-time data from various sources to provide commanders with actionable insights and recommendations, enabling faster and more informed decision-making. Target recognition. AI enhances the performance of weapon systems by automatically identifying and classifying targets on radar or through visual sensors. Impact on the battlefield. Increased speed and accuracy. AI systems can process information and react to threats faster and more accurately than humans, potentially leading to quicker response times and improved mission success rates. Reduced human risk. Robots can perform dangerous tasks such as bomb disposal, reconnaissance in hazardous environments, and frontline combat, reducing the risk of injury or death for soldiers. Enhanced situational awareness. AI can create a clearer picture of the battlefield by integrating data from multiple sources, providing commanders with greater awareness of the situation. Force multiplier. Autonomous systems can augment the capabilities of human soldiers, increasing overall combat effectiveness. Ethical and strategic considerations. Lethal autonomous weapons systems. The development of laws raises ethical concerns about delegating life and death decisions to machines. There are ongoing debates about the need for international regulations or a ban on laws to ensure human control over the use of force. Accountability and responsibility. Determining accountability for unintended casualties or errors caused by AI systems is a complex legal and ethical challenge. Bias and discrimination. AI algorithms can be biased based on the data they are trained on, potentially leading to discriminatory outcomes in target selection or other military operations. Risk of escalation. The speed and autonomy of AI systems could lead to unintended escalation of conflicts. Job displacement. The increasing use of robots in the military may lead to job displacement for human soldiers. The future of AI in warfare. Increased autonomy. Future military robots will likely have greater autonomy, with the ability to make decisions and act independently in complex environments. Human-machine teaming. The most likely scenario involves humans and AI systems working together, with AI providing support and recommendations to human decision-makers. Swarming technology. The development of swarms of autonomous drones or robots that can coordinate and act together will be a key area of focus. AI versus AI warfare. Some experts predict that future wars may involve AI systems battling each other, with minimal human intervention. Developments by country. United States. The U.S. military is heavily invested in AI research and development, with a focus on integrating AI into existing weapon systems and developing new autonomous platforms. The U.S. Department of Defense is developing a centralized system called Joint All-Domain Command and Control that uses AI to link sensors from all branches of the armed forces into a unified network. China is actively pursuing the use of AI for a wide range of military applications, including information analysis, wargaming, and command decision-making. Russia Russia is also investing in AI-powered military systems, including drones and autonomous weapons. Other countries, Other countries such as the United Kingdom, South Korea, and Israel are also developing and deploying AI-powered military technologies. The integration of AI into the military is an ongoing process, and the full impact of this technology on the future of warfare remains to be seen. However, it is clear that AI will play an increasingly important role in shaping military strategies, tactics, and capabilities.